Howdy folks, Jeff here in the garage again today. Just kicking around. One of the things I've never learned to do was say no. So when I got offered the opportunity to take a big kick-ass cabinet home they were giving away at work, I said, sure, yeah, I'll take it. Problem is, it was way bigger than I thought. So let's go take a look at this beast. I'm telling you, it's a beast. A little while ago when I worked at another machine shop, they were cleaning house and they asked me if I wanted this little parts bin. I said, yeah, absolutely. I thought this would come in handy in the garage, and I was excited to bring this home and load it up with all my hardware. But as you can see, it started to go overflow. I didn't want to take all the bits and pieces out of these handy organized things, so they just kind of ended up laying on these shelves, and this got filled and more stuff than or more product than I did pockets to put it in. So it started to go down on the bottom shelf down here, and it was just loaded up. So when the opportunity came and somebody said, hey, do you want a bigger shelf? I said, sure, I'll take a bigger shelf. Yeah, that's a monster. I I took out a lot of the pockets to get this thing in here. It weighed a ton. It needs a good cleaning, but each one of these things comes out, and there is pockets to fill every slot here. You can see there's all the pockets. This thing here is going to clean up my toolbox. It's going to clean up a lot of the junk that's been sitting around on top of my toolbox. I'm going to have a spot for everything. So anyway, that's what I'm working on today, and I'll keep you posted as how it goes into that corner and get it all organized and figure out what's going to happen to this thing. I might keep it. I don't know. Boy, borderline hoarder in here. I'm thinking about maybe cleaning out this area right here and putting this bin right in front of the oil tank, because let's face it, it's just dead space in front of an oil tank. But we'll see how that works. Well, after being out in the shop for several hours, I've got quite a bit done. I decided to keep that blue shelf. Um, I've got that up against my oil drum, and there's still some organizing to do there, but I got this mammoth here geared up. Everything that has a piece of duct tape on it has been designated for something, and a lot of it is things like electrical connections, and then knobs and handles, sealant, tape, air fittings, cotter pins, just hardware. So much hardware over the years, and just places to put stuff. So I got a whole drawer full of bearings that are unused, um, gasket materials, and just springs and just everything. Also put all my grinding wheels and that kind of stuff in there as well. So kind of cool. Get that done, and I need to find a spot for my oxyacetylene now, because that used to go over here in the corner by the compressor. Between that and a few other things that got displaced, my welder used to sit right here as well, and right now I just got it alongside the box there for the International. But that's okay, because this stuff here, I will find a home for it. There's an area over here in the corner that's just filled with junk right now, and that's going to get cleaned out, and maybe my oxyacetylene will end up over there. Maybe my welder will find a home over there as well. Actually, that sounds like a really good idea. So sometimes you gotta make it a little messier to get your goal completed. But anyway, concluding this project for the night, maybe come out tomorrow. It's supposed to get mild through the week. I'll be out and maybe play with the planishing hammer a little bit. I mounted that on a piece of board so I can stand on the board while I'm using it and it won't vibrate away from me. And yeah, so I get that all straightened away, and we'll see what other little projects I can tackle out here. Anyway, in the meantime, sorry for the shakiness of the camera. I get rambling a little bit and I don't know what I'm pointing at. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me, and thanks for watching. Take care.